Hello, 6th January, story time. Sluggy learns a lesson. Sluggy was a young snail. Once he was tired of carrying his shell on his back. He threw it away and began prancing around without his shell. Soon he came across a wise old snail. The old snail asked Sluggy, "Why aren't you carrying your shell with you? It is also your house." "Why should I?" Sluggy answered. "We carry our houses so that we have a place to take shelter whenever it rains," the old snail answered. After some time, it started raining. The old snail comfortably retreated into his shell and remained warm, while Sluggy got all drenched and squishy. Moral of the story is be prepared for the rainy day. Bye.